Understanding the benefits of saw palmetto for men's health. Understanding the benefits of saw palmetto for men's health. In the realm of natural remedies for men's health, few herbal supplements have garnered as much attention as saw palmetto. Derived from the berries of the Serenoa rapon plant, saw palmetto has a long history of use in traditional medicine, particularly in treating various conditions related to men's well-being. From supporting prostate health to alleviating urinary symptoms, saw palmetto has become a popular choice for men seeking alternative solutions to their health concerns. A brief overview of saw palmetto. Saw palmetto, scientifically known as Serenoa rapon, is a type of palm plant native to the southeastern United States. Its small berries have been used for centuries by Native Americans as both food and medicine. Traditionally, saw palmetto was utilized to address various ailments, including urinary and reproductive issues. Over time, modern research has delved into the potential benefits of this natural remedy, leading to its widespread use in contemporary herbal medicine. Supporting prostate health. One of the primary reasons why saw palmetto has gained such prominence in men's health discussions is its potential to support prostate health. The prostate gland is a small, walnut-sized organ located just below the bladder and surrounding the urethra. As men age, the prostate can undergo changes that may lead to issues such as benign prostatic hyperplasia, BPH, or even prostate cancer. Saw palmetto is believed to work by inhibiting the enzyme responsible for converting testosterone into dihydrotestosterone, DHT. DHT is a hormone that has been linked to the development of BPH and other prostate-related problems. Alleviating urinary symptoms. The urinary symptoms that often accompany prostate issues can significantly impact a man's quality of life. Frequent trips to the bathroom, especially during the night, can disrupt sleep patterns and lead to fatigue and irritability. Saw palmetto's potential to alleviate these symptoms has led many men to explore its use as a complementary approach to managing their urinary concerns. Research indicates that saw palmetto may contribute to better urinary flow and reduce nighttime urination. However, it's important to note that individual responses can vary, and consulting a healthcare professional before incorporating any new supplement is recommended. Hair loss and hormonal balance. Apart from its benefits for prostate health, saw palmetto has also been associated with promoting healthy hair growth and addressing hair loss. Hair loss, often caused by hormonal imbalances, can be a distressing issue for many men. Some studies suggest that saw palmetto might inhibit the 5-alpha reductase enzyme, which plays a role in converting testosterone to DHT, the hormone linked to hair loss in some individuals. While research on saw palmetto's efficacy in treating hair loss is ongoing, some men have reported positive outcomes when using saw palmetto supplements or topical products. It's important to manage expectations and consult with a healthcare provider or dermatologist before relying solely on saw palmetto for addressing hair loss. Antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. Beyond its specific effects on prostate health and hair loss, saw palmetto also exhibits antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties that contribute to overall well-being. Oxidative stress and chronic inflammation are underlying factors in various health conditions, including cardiovascular disease and certain cancers. Saw palmetto contains a range of bioactive compounds, such as flavonoids and fatty acids, that possess antioxidant and anti-inflammatory capabilities. These properties may provide protection against cellular damage and support the body's natural defense mechanisms. Choosing quality saw palmetto supplements. When considering the use of saw palmetto supplements, it's important to prioritize quality and safety. The market is flooded with various products, ranging in potency and formulation. To ensure you're getting the most out of this herbal remedy, consider the following tips. 1. Look for standardized extracts. Choose products that contain a standardized extract of saw palmetto. This ensures a consistent level of active compounds, making it easier to gauge effectiveness. 2. Dosage and formulation. Consult with a healthcare provider to determine the appropriate dosage and formulation for your specific needs. Dosage recommendations can vary based on the condition being addressed. 3. Check for third-party testing. Opt for brands that undergo third-party testing for quality and purity. This can help you avoid potential contaminants and ensure the product contains the stated ingredients. 4. Consider potential interactions. Saw palmetto supplements may interact with certain medications or medical conditions. It's crucial to discuss your plans with a healthcare professional, especially if you're already taking medications. 5. Patience and consistency. Natural remedies often require time to show results. Be patient and consistent in taking the supplement as directed before expecting noticeable changes. Conclusion. Saw palmetto's potential benefits for men's health, particularly in supporting prostate health and alleviating urinary symptoms, have positioned it as a popular natural remedy. Its historical use, coupled with modern research, highlights its potential to address a range of concerns that affect men's well-being. While saw palmetto holds promise, it's essential to approach its use with careful consideration, consulting healthcare professionals to ensure its suitability and safety in your individual case. As with any herbal remedy, saw palmetto is just one piece of the puzzle for achieving and maintaining optimal men's health. Exploring future research and considerations. While the current body of research suggests promising benefits of saw palmetto for men's health, there is still ongoing exploration and debate within the scientific community. As with many natural remedies, individual responses can vary widely, and more rigorous clinical trials are needed to establish definitive conclusions. Researchers are also investigating the potential synergy of saw palmetto with other herbal remedies and compounds. For instance, combinations of saw palmetto with nettle root extract or Pygeum africanum have been explored for their potential to enhance the therapeutic effects on prostate health. Collaborative research efforts may shed light on how different natural substances interact and amplify each other's benefits. Moreover, the long-term effects of saw palmetto use remain a topic of interest. Continuous monitoring and research are necessary to understand any potential impacts on hormone levels, liver function, and overall health with extended use.